In 3 minutes and 50 seconds, I made $40.60. I'm going to show you where I got the traffic from. I'm going to show you inside of the marketplace and the product and talk a little bit about how affiliate marketing works, because affiliate marketing can be quick and simple. And at the end of the day, it really is that easy to just put out your recommendation, which is at the core what affiliate marketing is. You recommending a product to an audience, to a group of people that have a problem, and letting them know that, hey, this product solved my problem. I think it'll help you too. Check it out. So check this out. Over at Warrior Plus, you see my sales dashboard. You also see on this page, affiliate daily stats. Click on the more button. That opens up a new page that opens up more stats. The stats at this point really aren't that important, but I want to show you that this actually happened. You can see the product name here, Instant Art Creator. You can see here what's called a tracking code, PR YouTube. That simply tells me where this traffic came from. It came from PR. PR stands for Publisher Report, which is my other YouTube channel. You can see here I made 5 sales and that earned me $40.60. Lots of times we like to overcomplicate things, and I'm guilty. I know that sometimes I want to do all these great things and do all the things that I learn and all the tactics and techniques and tricks and all the hacks, and I want to use all the tools that I have, but sometimes it is as simple as just finding a product, reviewing the product, learning something from the product, and then opening up the camera, kind of like what I'm doing here, and just saying, hey, look, I went through this product works, this product is cool, I learned something from this product, I think you'll learn something too. And if you check out this video, you'll see 3 minutes and 50 seconds, AI art, learn what it is and how to create and use artificial intelligence for self-publishing. That is over at my other YouTube channel where I talk about self-publishing, primarily on how to do Amazon KDP self-publishing, but that's not important. The important part is I use YouTube for a free traffic source. I talk about things that people want to hear about in that specific particular niche, and they enjoy my content because I give them value. Then what happens is when I run across a product like AI art, in this case, this is a product that teaches people how to do art using artificial intelligence. It's not really in my niche, but the people in my audience understand that I'm also looking at other things and other aspects of self-publishing and just everything that sort of rolls up in that niche and that marketplace. So I'm always on the lookout for these types of products, and I simply just recommend them to my audience, and then they can make their own decision whether or not they think it's worth the money. In this case, it was a $17 product. I said, hey, check it out. You'll find some value here. They clicked on the link, went over to the sales page, checked it out, bought it. I made $40.60 from a video that was 3 minutes and 50 seconds long. It just is that simple. It just is that quick. Now, don't get me wrong. There is a lot more to affiliate marketing. I talk about it here on the channel all the time. Also, there's a link in the description that takes you over to a complete free training on how to get up and running with affiliate marketing. It's my #1 recommendation. If you want to get started with affiliate marketing, or you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, or just get better at affiliate marketing, click on that link in the description in the pinned first comment. It'll take you over to a squeeze page. Put in your email address. I'll give you some more information on exactly what's going to happen once you enter your email address, how to get your free account. Be sure and check that out because it is well worth your time. Again, my #1 recommendation for getting started with affiliate marketing, just like what I showed you here, 3 minutes and 50 seconds. It was how long the video was. It's how long it took me to make $40.60 simply by doing affiliate marketing, which is simply recommending products that you like, recommending products that you trust, recommending products that you got something out of, and telling people, hey, I think you'll like this too. Check it out. Link in the description. Just like I'm telling you, want to learn more about affiliate marketing? Link in the description. Check it out. And if you want to learn more about how to use YouTube, click on the video you see on the screen right now. I look forward to seeing you in that video, and I'll talk to you later.